In this lesson, we are going to look at other spreadsheet functions like the large, the max, the mean, the small, average together with round up or round down, and then range between, as well as other grade 11 functions. So I'll first pick the first question here, which is the 3 visitor analysis. It says, right, this was about the age, and then which is and eligibility. I'll pick rather 3 accommodation, yes. It says insert a function in H3 to calculate the total number of rooms of results that fall under the deluxe category. So 3 accommodation, number of deluxe rooms. Now, the type of rooms, you have hotel, moderate, and the rest. Now, the number of rooms, the total number of rooms that falls under. It says the total number of rooms. We are counting, this is the number of rooms, so the total. That means we are going to sum them for the last. So we have to use sum if. Equal sign sum if. You click on fx, then the sum range will be the number of rooms. And then the criteria 1, because we are looking for deluxe. You can type deluxe, or you just say D star because that's the only one starting with D. So we use the wildcard D asterisk. No, sorry, the criteria range 1 will be the type. And then the criteria will be D asterisk. Remember here, the criteria must be part of the criteria range. And you see here is D3 to D24. Here should also be C3 to C24. Then the second highest number of rooms. These are number of rooms. You want the second highest. Whenever you are dealing with the second highest, the third highest, we use large. Equal sign large. Then the array is the same as the range. You select the number of rooms. And then the K, when you arrange them, the position, because the question said the second highest, the K will be 2. Right. Now we want the number of deluxe type, the moderate, and then the hotel. Because we are looking for the number, we use the count if. We use the count if. So equal sign count if, because one criteria. Count if, you click on fx, the range, the type, and then the criteria, because we are looking for deluxe, we use D star. You do the same equal sign, count if, the range, you select the type, and then the criteria, because you are looking for moderate, M star, and then the same, count if, the range, that is C3 to C24, the criteria, H star, that means hotel. Right, or you can type hotel in full. We could have solved this question also by giving the name, like here, instead of us to say D star, we could have just clicked on deluxe, and then the range should be given a specific name. We'll just select the range, right click, define name, and then you see a list. Or you can just say A, just give it any name. So when you go to count if, instead of the range to be C3 to C24, we can just say A, and then the criteria, we click on deluxe, so that we can autofill, and it will work for all. So the range will be the same, A for each. Right. Now, highest number of rooms. Highest number of rooms here. Highest number. Highest number, we can use max or large. Let's use large and see. Fx. Array, you put a number of rooms. And then the K is 1 because it's the highest, that's position 1. So you could have also used max as well. Equals sign max, Fx, and then you select the values, the range. Right, the lowest also we can use small, equal sign small. Lowest, use small, Fx, the array you select, the K is 1. So if the second smallest value, you use K to be 2, third smallest K is 3. Total number of results, that total, that's counting. Total number. No, here total, this is the number of results already. So the total you are summing, equal sign, sum. And then the average number of rooms, and then we'll put it in 2 decimal places. So equal sign average. Right, now 2 decimal places. How do we change to 2 decimal places? When you are done calculating the average, go to the formula bar just before average. After equal sign, you type round. Then to give you the fx, you double click, and then you click on fx here. So you are rounding to 2 number of decimal places. So you give, this is the average, so you go to the round 1 just after equal sign, or the round 1, then number of digits 2. So if I click here, it gives me the average function argument. If I want a round 1, I click after the round function, then I can type the number of digits. Alternatively, you could have calculated the average somewhere, let's say here, equal sign average, and then you select the number of rooms. So to get the number of decimal place 2, you come here, you press equal sign, round. You click on fx, the number, you click on your answer here, which is E29, number of digits, press 2. So you could have kept your answer next to it and then use the round function to take your answer to the cell where your answer must be. Right. So basically we covered the round, the count if, the large, the small as well. And then also range between. If you want range between from 10 to 20, just say equal sign, range between. Random integer, the bottom will be 10, and then the top will be 20. Right. If we are looking for today's date, you use today. It gives you today's date. And then if you want to change the format, you right click, format cells, custom, and you can change the format here. Let's say I want it to be DD dash YY Y, that is the year, dash, and then the month should be in full, 4 months, dash, and then I want the day, like Sunday, to be that. Type 4Ds. So you can change the format by right-clicking, and then you go to custom format, then you change the format. Right. So this is all about the functions in grade 11. The sum, the count if, and the rest. Then also, let's take a look at conditional formatting. Then we wrap up with the grade 11. The same question paper. It says use a spreadsheet feature to fill the cells in column D with a light blue where the result is more than 750. So column D, you select it, conditional formatting, highlight cell rules. When it's more than, so you choose greater than 750. Weight any color, or you can put a border around it. So we are filling with a color. So that's the basic conditional formatting, filling less than or greater than or the rest. You can also get a conditional formatting that is color scale, icon set. So you go to conditional formatting. Right. Thank you. See you another time.